ரகு வரலையே. ரகு எங்க?
நாராயண்
சார்
எல்லாரும் கொஞ்சம் வர சொல்லுப்பா.
அதோ சொல்றேன் சார்.
நீ யாரோட பக்கத்துல வேற யாரோட இருக்கு? எக்கோ அடிக்குது. 2 ஓபன்
சார்
பண்ணி
2 மினிட்ஸ் வந்துருவேன் சார். ரீச் ஆயிடுறேன் சார்.
பக்கத்துல யாரோட இருக்கு? எக்கோ அடிக்குது. இதெல்லாம் பேரு
சந்தோஷ்
பேர் கொடுத்தா நல்லது. நாளைக்கு போன் தொலைஞ்சா கூட தெரியும். ஹலோ மகேஷ் வந்துட்டீங்களா? ஹலோ ஹலோ மகேஷ். வந்தாச்சாப்பா? சுதாகர். And I'm not seeing their names. Neil is there. மகேஷ் எங்க? பாருங்க. சாவன் ஜா என்ன வரலையப்பா? புருட்டோ ஜாயின். Jain Mandir. I asked even all FMCs to. Okay, boys. I think everybody has come.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Yes. Shall we start?
Sure, sir.
What about Chennai? I'm not able to see the Chennai local. They are not in position. Anyhow, good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
Today, actually, we arranged this Zoom meeting for the purpose of introducing one application by name called Fruksh. You know very well that a lot of rules, regulations are there in our operations. Am I correct? RBI, Reserve Bank of India, has given a set of rules, regulations, which we have to follow for different types of segment of businesses. For example, currency, buying, selling, then card, similarly remittances for leisure travel, remittances for studies, like that. So when we have so many rules and regulations, normally we will be forced to take up the book or something to refer. Am I correct? We will do that only. But due to the paucity of time, or sometimes, we may not be in a position to get the book also. We may keep the book somewhere else in the branch. So we may not see the rules also. So in order to ensure availability of all these things at your fingertip, we have developed Mr. Sunil Mohan, who is with me now. I think he is here now. He has developed an application app. Thereby, it will help you to go through these rules within shortest possible time. At the same time, to ensure proper communication with the clients also. That is, you want to send something to the clients about a particular aspect, within few minutes you can, or within few seconds you can send it. No need of any waiting or typing mail or something like that. So it is developed like that. So I would just introduce Mr. Sunil Mohan before giving the session to him. He is actually IITian. He did the BTech engineering from Guwahati actually. And he has done IIM Calcutta from MBA Finance from IIM Calcutta. He is also a certified financial analyst. He worked as an analyst in MAP Advisory, Chennai. Then he worked as financial planner in Rekit Bikisar. Presently, he is working with Glufen. There only this product is being developed. Please understand that today I make, or rather I requested all of you to join because it's a very interesting but simple product, very interesting product. So that, Mahesh, please LMA mute பண்ணிக்கங்கப்பா. Please, all please keep it in mute. When we say that, you can raise your hand and ask your doubts, anything. Okay. And so this app is a very, very useful app for all of you. It is a starting only. It is not the end. Please understand. Today, we are going to give it to you. As a user, you may have some other improvements. You may require some more additions to be done or deletions to be done, so that you can give your feedback also once you have gone through that. On the basis of that, definitely we will update and give you further Paka application that will help you to move with your clients, move with your outside world, very easily. So now I am giving the session to Mr. Sunil Mohan. He will take you through this app step by step. Please listen and take notes if you require. And later on, part 1 will be, he will be explaining to you. Part 2 will be, you will be given you will be told to download in your phone itself. You can download it. Then you can see it. Then you can ask any other questions when you have. Raise your hands or post your questions in the chat box. We are ready to guide you and help you. Please, sir. Over to you, Mr. Sunil.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, everybody. Thank you for being present here. So, as Sir said, we have worked out this product over the last few weeks. We have made some modifications depending on how we feel it will be most helpful in your day-to-day operations. So we'll just share our screen and I'll just show you the exact okay. I hope you can all see the screen. So firstly, the name of this product is Fruksh, Fruksh. It's an app you can download from for both Android phones and iOS. It's available. You can search Fruksh and install. It's a matter of a few seconds. It is also available in the web. So we are right now looking at the web version. The operation is it's exactly similar in both. So you can follow it here or you can follow it in that also. So basically what you can see is the entire operations of the category money changer captured in a single screen. So this screen, the content has been developed by the team in Chennai, has been provided, and we have put together all the important content which is required by the teams generally. So I'll just quickly explain. So you can see that there are about 14-15 content capsules here. Each of them actually has enough content of, say, for instance, a website. So for example, just take this remittance education. So this, you can just zoom in and you can actually look at all the content that is required related to remittance education. If you need some more content, you can add it or edit it. Whatever is the relevant content, you can do it. That's what the platform enables you to do. With that platform, we have created this content base for the money changer operation. So actually, as you can see, each of these content capsules contains the relevant information. So you can get the information for remittance education, remittance maintenance, and remittance tours and travels. Everything you can get at one point, and you can drop down any of these, and if you want to look at it, you can look at it, and you can move around and you can zoom in and zoom out as you please. So that, but the key distinction here is the text content is one part. You can also have other sorts of content links. Say, for instance, you have remittance education. This video actually kind of demonstrates, could be used like a demo or whichever way it forms. So for instance, here, this is a basic video which has been created by SAR for remittance education. Likewise, we have put a video for these each of these products. So you can actually get into eligible to remittances for. Yeah. So like that, you can actually look at you actually have a video tied to each of these content modules also. So video is one bit. You also can, for instance, let's say for remittance education, these are the list of forms which are needed for remittance education. Those are also made available here so that you can directly take it. In one click, you are able to access that also. Whatever you want. You want to download, print, or share, or whatever. So that is also available at, and this is available for each of these content capsules for you. Apart from that, for instance, let's say you have a prepaid card here. So prepaid card actually has a lot more information than what is provided here. So let's say you want a more detailed description of prepaid card. You can just click here. So basically, you're going to another tree like this one. So it's basically just if you want to give greater level of detail where you have relevant forms, etc., you can add another tree link to those boxes. So let's look at what we have in prepaid card, for instance. So for instance, these are the standard app guidance and cook cards. These are seen as very important information for these prepaid cards. So actually, one more thing that you can do with these trees is that you can actually attach a full slideshow along with each of these products. So for instance, so this is usually a separate PDF for you. The channel and limit control, how do you access, etc. So actually, you can look at it in this page only. You can just zoom in and you can just look at this as a slideshow here only. You can do the same for so you can actually cover all the 4 PDFs in the same page. That is the key power. That's the power of this tool. Whereas previously you would have had probably made send these 4 as an attachment on email or whichever way you may be using it right now. But right now, your consumer can actually look through the whole thing in the single page. And if you want to, for instance, open it in full screen and just go further deeper into it also, you can just click and open it in one click. So basically, so that whole thing which you had to keep separately is actually available for you at the same page here. Say for instance, so you can go through the slideshow here as well. So you can go through the slideshow here itself. So actually, you can zoom in, zoom out as you please here by scrolling. And you can also open all, you can close all. Say, for instance, you open just this one. you can just open what you want to open. You can go in, you can go through the whole thing here only. You don't really have to go to another page to look at it. And you can structure the whole content in the tree in whichever way you feel is the correct way. So right now, as a team, we felt that this is the best way to kind of display all the card information, card related for clients and for everybody. So therefore, we have put it in this format. So this is basically an additional feature apart from the video and apart from the forms. You can also put a slideshow kind of thing. But the most important point here is all this is consumable in a single page. It's not like you have to go to that separately and you have to go to this separately. All you need to do is just share this one link, and the person whoever is consuming it can actually look through all this. So as far as the properties are concerned, as of now, these are the key properties. One more thing, for instance, let's say you want to share this. We are in the laptop right now. So for us, it's there is no share through WhatsApp, etc. So, but in laptop, you can just copy the link, or you can share it via email. So you have two options there. Whereas if you actually install the app, see, you can actually click on Outlook and you can send the right. So it automatically goes to your email. So you can share it this way. So this is what is possible in the web. In the desktop, in your laptop. But let's say you are using the app. In your app, this share will give you option to share through WhatsApp, through any app in your phone. So the same thing, when you use it in app, you'll be able to do that as well. So these are the key features as far as using it as a consumer of this content is concerned. So these are the basic features. You can, for instance, like this link you can share, you can actually open it also. Shall I share the link?
This card, whatever you are seeing now, it's now part of prepaid PTQ form requirements. That particular tree part actually. For seeing any part, you have to, if suppose anything is there inside, this symbol will be there. Please see that symbol. As if you know that.
Like some radioactive.
Yeah, this symbol, indicates that there is a further tree.
Yeah.
Please understand that. If that symbol is not there, means there is no further tree. That is the one tree only. Okay. Now go back, sir.
To like this?
No.
Yeah.
So now you see, this is the overall page of the entire tree. Within that, already I think Mr. Sunil showed you what are the guidelines issued by Thomas Cook, what kind of cards are available, what each card, currencies we can load, what are the rules, regulations, how to initiate the app of Thomas Cook, everything is there. Tomorrow, if we tie up with ICICI or some other channel partner, their card details, everything will be added. Under that particular tree, that will be added. So you can go to that and see that. Most advantage is that if you use this in your mobile phone, whatever you want to share to the client particular segment, just you have to, I think here, please zoom out, sir. That symbol you have seen, now he is showing this symbol. This symbol, if you press, then automatically it will go to either WhatsApp or whatever, Telegram, whatever you want to share, you can share that. In the laptop, as he said, copy the link, paste it, it will go to the receiver also, client. Now what happens whenever client wants details, what you are doing, you are typing, then you are sending. Or sometimes you are telling orally. There may be a communication gap also may be there. Client would not have understood what you said. Instead of that, everything is available very clearly here. And general rules also available. Please understand that. That is, of course, for you. It is available here in the products. Under the products, I'm correct?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, under the products, these rules are available so that you can see the entire general rules are there. What is the limit? Some certain countries, there's no limit, etc., etc. We have mentioned that. This is for your consumption. If you want, you can share it to the client also, no issues. So ultimately, the whole objective of this development is that you should have everything in your fingertips and easily you can go through and you can also talk to the client with authoritatively and you can share the detail to the client and get whatever you want without loss of much time. That is the whole idea. So now you can, I think Mr. Sunil will, I think anyone of you having any doubt up to this stage, please, you can unmute and talk, no problem. So that first stage we want to clarify you, then we will go to the downloading the app. The zoom in, zoom out is by just scrolling your pad only. Touch pad only, you have to do that in the laptop. Of course, in the, if you use this, what is that?
Phone.
No, this
And the mouse.
a mouse, yeah,
The
mouse.
wheel.
Then you have to use the wheel for zoom in, zoom out also. Please understand that. In the case of, so in the case of, what is that, your mobile phone, you have to touch your screen. That is, touch your screen and zoom in, zoom out by using your fingers. That's it. And similarly, he has given you a facility of tilting horizontally or vertically also. Please understand that. So please, anyone has anything at this stage, please raise your hands so that, you know, we want to give you, rather guide you correctly for your usage. If you understood, please put in your chat box, yes, I understood first. If you have any doubt also, please raise your doubts. Don't worry whether it may be a small doubt or big doubt. We are ready to help you out first. Please talk, sir, because we are here to exchange thoughts, ideas. Nobody's having any idea? Hello? Or mics are open? Please, somebody wants to ask something. If you don't
Sir, I
ask,
think
huh?
Sir, I think we need to use it first, I think, to understand it.
Yeah.
We can,
Now we will do that. No, part 2 we will go there now. Part 2 will be, you yourself will download now in your phone. Now you can download
I
it.
think, sir, it would be better if we, it would be better understandable if we download it and whatever it's, because over here screen, when we are seeing it, it's very small.
No, you can zoom out, sir. 1 minute. No, he already showed you. No, he has made it.
Actually, can you share their screen and do something? Yeah,
Are you able to see now?
yeah. Actually, you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
ask anything that you may have, like.
Yeah, now you see there are buttons. Different buttons are there. On the right extreme button is just to open and collapse.
Yeah.
If you touch it, it will close. Who is touching it, it will close. If you click it, it will open.
Yeah.
Are you able to understand that? Then if
Yes, sir,
video
yes.
symbol, then if video symbol is there, it is nothing but video player is there. Some recording is there. That is the symbol. Okay.
Sir,
Similarly-
is it possible to include some RBI guidelines also? It's like wherever RBI guidelines particulars are there, because it's like
Yeah, it is
sometimes.
there. No, it is. See, what are the KYC requirements? What are the RBI regulations? Everything is there. RBI general regulations are available under the products. Products rules are available. Please zoom it, sir. Now zoom it, go below, you know. See, it is there or not, Mr. Ankur? Are you able to see rules?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we mentioned rules here. Okay. Then we have gone to the each and every segment. What are the things required to do the business in that segment?
So just a small suggestion. It's like, can we give a link which can directly go to RBI site, because in RBI site some frequently asked questions are there about our
Ah.
remittances and everything. So that
Yes,
can
sir.
be included in whenever we are sending it to a client. So it's like this is our guidelines which we are sharing. So now when we share that link also, that will automatically, if the client will click on that, it will automatically open in RBI site also.
Yeah, we appreciate, Ankur. We appreciate. We will provide here itself
here
in the rules that RBI link also will provide a FAQ. I understood.
Yeah.
We will do that. We will do that. That's not an issue. So that when
Because
you share the
sometimes
client,
client argue that it's like it's not mandatory, it is not there in
yeah.
RBI. So
Yeah,
it's like
even
if
in
that link is
recently,
there, then
recently in Chennai also one case happened like that. Then I sent that FAQ. Then client convinced. Otherwise, he was arguing wrongly, actually. So once I sent that FAQ, he was able to understand. Then he said, okay, please go ahead. We will do that, sir. We will put that link in the rules itself. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And actually, I'm not sure whether this was clear. You can actually add a slideshow here also. If you feel that a slideshow will be relevant, you can add that relevant. If these rules can be a slideshow, we can put that also.
That improvement, we can do that. But as of now, it is available in the form of text. Only the card section, only details of rules, controls, how to use the Thomas Cook app, all those things are in the form of slides. Are you able to understand that? It is in the form of text as well as slides, I think. Only slides, sorry. Slides only it is available. So you can easily share the slide to the client. He can go through that and he can easily use the Thomas Cook app also. That's not an issue. Now you can see 1 minute, sir. Go to the currency BTQ.
This one.
See currency BTQ, one section. Okay. Now what are the things required? We have mentioned that. Simple. These are the things which we wanted. This you share with him. In case A2 form you want, it is available. Forms are represented by this symbol, I think.
Yeah.
One symbol, are you able to see, sir, here? List
Yes,
of
sir. Yes, sir.
resources.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If I press that, the relevant form will be available. In addition to that, are you able to see this form now? Yes. Am I correct?
Yeah. You click it, it will.
So that you can send
Yes,
to the
sir.
client. You can send to the client also form, duly signed, you can keep it ready if you want. As of now, you are printing and you are sending. Am I correct? From the system. Am I correct? In case
Yes, sir.
it is in case so urgent, you are not in a position to do your printing or something, you can send the form, make it, ask him to sign and get it back easily. You need not wait for printing and going there. Okay. That is one advantage. And similarly, here, what is this?
That is later.
Okay.
Those are
Some other development we will do later. And wherever you see this symbol, it's nothing but a video is available to describe various aspects of that particular segment. Okay, sir?
Yeah.
Similarly, we have given shifting of branch, what the procedure. RBI monthly filing we have given. New branch opening, what is the procedure? Closing of the branch, what is the procedure? Everything is available there. So these are the things which we wanted to put it in a rather a tree format, so that instead of flipping through the book, see entire book you have to go through. Already we have sent you a book, but very difficult for you to see where is it, how to give that information to the client also. Now this will help you to meet the client's requirement easily. Are you able to understand? Any other questions, sir? So that we will ask you to download now.
you can go to that tree, that slideshow. You can that.
Slideshow, are you able to? I am going there only now. That particular tree I am going now. Here only we have given you this slide because it is easier. We got that resource from the Thomas Cook. We put that. Now one more suggestion Ankur is given is RBI link also for FAQ. That also we will add it in the rules, not here, in the rules. So please use it. Once you start using only, you will come to know a lot of things. Any improvements, please write to us. We are ready to consider and do it. And slideshow here itself, client can see, and you can also see that it is available in the desk itself. You need not open it separately. Here itself, you can see the one by one slides. Here only 2 slides. So it has come to the second slide. That's all. After that, no slide. If you go to some other, yeah, please go to that. Here you see, first slide is there.
You have 9
9 slides are there in this particular thing. So one by one, you yourself can see, because many times when we issue the card, the customer may ask you what are the currencies available. You yourself may have a doubt. Similarly, there is a difference between this card, that card, in ATM charges, in cross currency charges, and similarly, recently, students' special card has come. So we have put all these things in this particular place. That's why I said tomorrow if I have some other channel partner, his details also will be available in the form of another tree. I will take it as a ICICI tree. I will have it as a separate tree also inside the prepaid card. So that, the whole idea is that compressing manner, everything will be available. That's all. You need not, carry book or anything. Simply you have to open your app, do it and send to the client. Now we will go to is there any other doubt, sir? Before we go to the downloading and using it. We will ask one of you to join for the screen sharing, and you yourself can go through stage by stage and talk freely. Don't worry about that. Even if you have any mistakes, you won't be find any fault with you. You please enjoy the fun and let us see how you are feeling the usage of app. Okay. Now, who is that volunteer to do that? Ankur, can you come? Ankur?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Yes, sir. Do one thing. You go to you are having Android.
Yes, sir. Android.
Okay. I will screen sharing. How will you do that?
Actually, you can do in laptop only right now. In phone, they can't.
Yes. Only laptop you can do that,
Yeah, so I'll just give them the link.
We are posting that link to you in the chat box. Ankur, we posted in the chat box.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I will give you screen sharing to you. 1 minute. Right to you. I made you co-host, Ankur.
Okay, sir.
So you go and link. And first you open your Zoom in the laptop. Okay. Or open this link first. Open the link first in the laptop. Keep it. Then open your Zoom there. Same meeting, Others?
So I've opened the link.
No. First, open the link.
Okay, I've opened the link, sir.
Okay, what comes? You go to the Zoom now. To Zoom now in your laptop. And all of you go to your Play Store. Android users, Go to the Play Store and download FRUKSH app. Please download that. Use your Google Mail or some it will ask,
Yeah, you can sign in with Google.
You can sign in.
You can just sign in with Google for now.
I think Ankur, you have come now.
Yeah, this is screen, phone screen.
Yeah, safe driving something. Ankur, please others download through Play Store. Yeah, you are there. I think maybe Zoom. What happened? You're doing something else.
Somebody else on laptop can share easily.
Who?
Gee, I think somebody else in laptop can share their screen.
Anybody is hooked to Zoom through laptop? Or all are in mobile only? Anybody on the laptop here? Ankur? Ankur is muted actually himself. Ankur, please unmute yourself first. Because he's in the mobile, That screen is mobile.
Okay, yeah. Stop sharing screen. I think Mr.
Mr.
Nitin Saravanan, like, looks like laptop.
Saravanan, you are having laptop otherwise? All are in the mobile phone only.
Sir, no, sir.
Acha, acha.
But phone also you can share the screen, I think. Can somebody
Yeah,
share
yeah,
the
sir.
Yeah,
I will try,
phone.
sir.
Yeah,
I will do one thing. There, I have to give you the host,
yeah.
Saravanan, I have to give you the host. 1
Okay,
minute.
sir. Okay.
Somebody else.
I clicked only Saravanan. I will find you on
Sir.
Then given to me, Saravanan made you host now, co-host. Okay.
Okay, sir. I will try.
And what about our friend Ankur? And please download yourself first. I will download all of you from the Play Store. If you have downloaded, please put yes in the chat box, sir. Please react. Don't be a silent participant here. In the chat box, you put your name and yes, downloaded.
Sir, mobile app is first, sir. FRUKS.
That's why now only you are asking. Already I told you. FR,
but
I will type now. For your reference.
it shows that finance, sir. Finance.
Yeah. That only.
That only.
Finance. Yes, sir. Yes.
I typed that for your reference, sir. Whoever downloaded, please put your name and.
Sir, I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened, but my phone automatically got switched off.
Okay, forget phone, laptop. You come,
Okay, so I'm putting in on laptop.
Yeah, please come on the laptop. First, download this link, then open the Zoom with ID and password.
Okay.
Then you go to top. Screen sharing will be there. Choose that. Then you open the screen which already you minimized.
Okay.
Ask others not to talk there. Ankur. Meanwhile, others, please download and confirm in the chat box your name and say, yes, I downloaded. We want that confirmation. So that if any hiccups in downloading itself, we want to resolve it. Tomorrow, don't tell that, sir, I am not able to download. Very good. Amudan downloaded. Good. Then, so that why I ask you to download, while he's explaining, you can see also again in your screen. Amudan downloaded. What about others? Vasant downloaded. Okay. Padafat. Why so delay here? Nitin downloaded. Good.
Sir, can I get that app link also?
Which one?
App link, sir. App link. How to download that app?
No. You are in Ankur. You are in laptop, correct?
No, sir. It's like on phone. How to download it, sir? Because I was not there. My phone got switched off automatically.
No. You are in laptop or phone?
Sir, I'm on phone only right now.
Okay. Go to the Play Store. Android only.
Okay, yes, sir.
And type FRUKSH. 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 Sorry, Fruksh.
FRU.
FRUKSH. Fruksh.
Okay.
Now, normally, Vriksh will be for tree. Fruksh will be for finance tree. Okay.
Yes, sir. This Fruksh Finance. That is only, no?
Yeah.
What are you seeing now after downloading? Kalai downloaded, Sudha downloaded, Saranya downloaded. Very good.
Can
What about others?
Somebody share the screen, anybody who has downloaded?
Anybody wants to? I think Ankur will do it. I think Ankur. will
Sir,
second one.
I'm doing it, sir.
Please, sir, please. I don't know, Saravanan volunteer, but I am not able to see him. Gunalan downloaded, Brito downloaded, Mahesh done. Rangasamy also downloaded. Very good.
Sir, you have to enter our password, user ID and password, sir. That mail ID and password.
No, you sign in with Google, there is one option, right?
Google, you are having a Gmail account, you know.
You
Yes.
can sign in with that. You can sign in with your.
With sign in with that, simple as that. No need of anything else. See, now downloading itself, Anil is having a problem. That's why we ask every one of you, please download, so that later on, should not say, I'm not able to see it, sir. I'm not able to view it, sir. What happened to Ankur?
So it's saying if I'm trying to share my screen, it says only the host can share in this meeting.
1 minute. I will do, co-host is there. I will check with Ankur. Maybe only one co-host allowed. Yeah. Okay, I made you co-host now. You please see. Now the screen sharing will be there. Please see that. Oh, now you got it, I think. I saw your screen, Ankur.
Yeah.
That's a sky. Show the screen. Yeah, you are right. You are there. Ankur, I think you opened the screen. Please come. But still, many of you not downloaded. We got confirmation only from 8 people so far. We are having 22 participants. That means still 10 more or 14 more not done that. Please confirm, sir. The idea is that to facilitate you to download easily. That's why. Anil, you got it?
No, sir, I'm opening, sir.
What happened, Ankur? Indrani done, Jigunu done. Okay.
Sir, in that application, a lot of other thing comes. Does it all belong to some?
Yeah, we will explain.
We
will tell you. Actually, we will make it as only one item of ours. Please don't confuse with that.
Okay.
Only authorized money changer is there, Mahesh.
Yes, sir.
That is the only screen which we have to type. I mean, press.
Okay.
You press that. You want to show it?
No, I think like lot of things are certain. First thing is the 80 category money changer. Who are the
82 money changer. That is our screen only. That is the ours.
two?
Yeah, 82 money changer is our screen. You are right.
Okay.
That we have to click on, sir.
Yeah, that you click.
Can you actually share the screen like somebody?
Somebody share the screen means easy to guide you. Or Mahesh, shall I make you co-host and share you?
Yes, no problem. I am in mobiles actually.
No problem. I'm making you co-host.
Yeah.
You please share your screen,
Okay.
We will tell you one by one. Easy for all of you.
Okay.
Go to the top, you can see the screen sharing. Now you share what you saw, Or we will open it and show you. That's what I better. Huh?
Let's see. Finish.
Yeah, if they finish, we'll see. Otherwise, we will show it. That's all. Then what will happen, We have to close this and come to this.
We can mute something. One of the two we mute.
Echo.
அதுதான் but I think இதுல sound நான் ஆஃப் பண்ணி if I off then echo வராதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Echo வரும். ஒரே ரூம்ல ரெண்டு ரூம். Mahesh, are you able to see that? No. Ankur done, Saravanan done. Then how many of you missed so far? Who has not done so far? Not downloaded. Please, any help? After downloading, please go to AD2 Money Changer. One headline will be there. Click that. Please click that. What comes? What comes?
I can only explain with the screen.
Huh?
So some
Actually,
products, it's showing products, currency, BTQ sale, business visit, prepaid cards, and remittance.
You show that, go.
So I'm trying, but it's like I don't know what is the problem in phone. It's not allowing me to share my screen.
I think we can share the web only. They can understand if we share our screen.
No. Better to open, make them to open, Then only
yeah,
easy for you. Otherwise, we already showed the web-based. How is it?
No, but from the home page, how to go to the tree page, I can show that. That part is similar in both.
Now you have seen that, Ankur. Open it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm able to see it, sir.
Now are you able to zoom in, zoom out?
Yes, sir.
You are able to see zoom in, zoom out now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you go to any one item. For example, you go to the currency
So I've gone
BTQ.
into BTQ sale. I've gone into. So when this flow chart has opened, 82 category money changer, and everything has opened.
Okay, everything open. Now you go take one tree. Currency BTQ will be there. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You click on the right extreme arrow. Then the
yes, sir. Down scroll. I've done that. Sir. Now it is showing.
Form should have collected. Yes, sir.
Are you able to see that? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you go to the share is there. One share button is there beneath at the bottom.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Share is there.
Please press and send to somebody. You send to Vasant or Vasant will send to you. Both of you exchange. Do that.
Yes, sir. Just a minute, sir.
Please do that. Vasant, you send to Saranya or Saranya can send to you. Or both of you
Okay,
can do
sir.
that.
Okay, sir.
Ankur, have you sent?
Sir, if I'm clicking on share,
So tell me, Vasant.
Send to Ankur, sir.
Ankur, he sent to you.
You received for
I'm sending here.
BTQ.
1 minute, he is sending to you. You can also see that. So that both can give the feedback. How is it?
Sir, already sent it, sir, Ankur.
I think Saranya is next to you, Vasant.
Yes, sir.
That's why echo comes. Ask her to go a little bit away, We are having echo. Severe echo is there.
Sir, Ankur received, sir.
Yeah, even I've
You
sent
received?
it to you.
Yeah,
Are you able to see? Are you able to see now?
Yes, sir.
Others can also.
Are you able to see now? Ankur?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And beneath you will have the link also. If you press the link, full tree will come. Are you able to understand? The matter becomes very simple to the client. Am I correct? Vasant?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, very simple. You can send to the client.
Yeah.
Sir, I have put it in the group also so that everybody can see now. I have put it in the group, sir, so that everybody can see.
Oh, in the group you put it. Okay.
Yeah.
Please, all of you go to the group. It's a good idea. See, now you see that please open our group ICCL Money Changing in WhatsApp. Mr. Ankur sent to that group and it is available in a nutshell what we wanted for loading fresh card, for reloading. On the top, you will have a link. If client presses that, you will have full tree details. Are you able to understand that? full tree will come, including other details, currency, BTQ, everything will be available to the client. You yourself can also see that in your mobile also. Are you able to understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now Vasant also sent another one.
Yeah, actually, everybody can share to confirm that they are.
Yeah. You please, everybody, please share one segment from each one of you by going to the particular segment. Please do that in the group. Vasant sent currency BTQ. Mr. Ankur sent prepaid card BTQ. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please, you just taste it. You go through different menus and see how is it, video, how is it. Please go to each and everything, so that once you familiar yourself, then easy for you. I think Saranya sent. Yes, good. She sent again maintenance remittance. Good. Are you able to feel the easiest way of communication, Vasant? Vasant?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very useful, sir.
Yeah, very simple, To the
Yes,
client,
yes, I know, sir.
instead of talking over phone, asking him, and he will misunderstand. Here, similarly, please understand that there may be some mistakes. Please understand. We just, done our best. There may be some mistakes. There may be some items missing. There may be some items misleading. You please, if it is anything is there, please write to us. We will correct it.
You can actually
Okay,
comment also there only.
Yeah, if you have anything like that, you send it in our group also. No problem.
Group, and below that, each of those dabbas, there is a comment also next to share. You can comment there also. We can read here.
Yeah, and all of you, I am requesting you to go to the prepaid card tree. Please go there. Have you gone? Prepaid card.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you able to see one wheel symbol on that top? Inside that box.
Sound company.
Yes,
One
sir.
wheel
That is
symbol
there,
is
sir.
there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You press that. What happens?
Repair card, man.
You press that.
So Thomas,
press-
for cards and app guidance is there.
Now it has come, Ankur.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you press in that whatever you want, slides will be there available. That
Yeah,
slides you can share with the client or through WhatsApp. Or you would understand.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very simple. It's very simple. Similarly, general rules on the first tree, it will be there. General rules on the products. Not here. Okay.
And one
Kalai Selvan also sent, Bangalore Anil sent, Sudhakar sent, Coimbatore Brito sent, Kalai Selvan sent. Good.
one more feature I actually missed, sir. Can
Yeah, we'll do, sir. We'll do.
just one feature. to
Yeah,
explain.
Mr. Sunil wants to
Yeah.
explain you one more feature.
Okay, so actually, this is right now we have only one tree, but you could have more trees. For instance, you are clicking on this prepaid card tree and you are going to the prepaid card tree, So we are now going to prepaid card tree. So you can press back and come here, but let's say you have 2-3 items or you have gone to some other thing. So you can see this arrow, right? So if you click on that arrow, what are the past things you visited will come here. So you can
On the right extreme.
on the right extreme. So this will come in the app also. There could be some glitches, but this is the basic. This flashback thing, you click, you will get the
Home.
yeah, you will get those.
If you press the home,
That home page is what you got, same as what you got in the app also.
but we will try to eliminate the appearance of
Yeah.
other things when you go into that. Or you would understand that.
So you can actually see.
Ginu has sent.
Oh, somebody has created, I think, something 2 minutes ago. Okay. Okay, so you click here. You can drop down. You can read the same thing like a list. And
Yeah.
when you click here, the full tree will open. That is how in the app, for in case somebody did not get how to open it in the app. So you go down and then you click on the tree, it will come here.
So if you
Incidentally,
go through that, just now, just Genu has sent one message now regarding download borderless prepaid app. So even in here, we can give the links for app download also, Thomas Cook app.
good idea. I will note down, sir. I will note down. Okay, that is, you want to download their app link, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done, sir. Two things you said. One is FAQ link. Next is Thomas Cook app download link, correct?
Now we have two links for that. One is for Android and one is for Apple.
Okay, we'll do, sir. We'll do. We'll do. Yes. That's why today the whole purpose of this meeting is that as a user, you will have some other ideas also. Okay. We developed with the help of Mr. Sunil actually from our perspective. You may have something better than what I felt, so that you may give that feedback. We will improve that. No issues.
Just one second. We have changes. So that home page and the
Please examine each and everything.
you can try. I
And
think
try.
somebody marketing, somebody has created also very good. But yeah, we will something has been clicked there. But yeah, you can surely try it out. But since I mean, like once you get a feel for it, you'll be in a better position to this thing. But once again, I'm just explaining. In app, you see this, you click on this, so you get this drop down. You click on this, you go to the tree, but you can look at the tree here only in a quick fire. For instance, within the tree, you want to go to a certain point, like the prepaid card tree or something, you can look at the tree here only.
Any one of you has any doubt so far of downloading and viewing different boxes? In the box, drop down is there. Within the box, video is there. Within the box, form is there. Then there is another box, exclusively form is there. In that box, all forms are there. Please understand. Any form you want to pick up from there also you can pick up. Yeah, net is slow today. I don't know. Because we had some fire here in second floor today in Chennai office.
But generally, this should not take more than 1 or 2 seconds. If it's taking a long time, that means there is an issue.
Are you able to understand this whole thing? Voice, please. Please respond through your chat box. Yes, yes. I don't know whether Gunalan downloaded. I have not seen any message from Gunalan. Similarly from, of course, Anil you sent, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anil you sent. Similarly, other branches. Hyderabad, I have not seen at all. No movement at all. Hyderabad. Hyderabad gentlemen, not even I have not seen. Is in the meeting, I don't know. There is no response from Hyderabad. What about Mohammed? Is there in Chennai? No.
Sir, one more suggestion, sir. If
tell me.
sir, it's like when we are sending this message to them about the documents required. It's like for like fresh card, I have sent a message. It says A2 form. It is there, and is it possible to include that fresh card application form also with that?
Where here?
Yes, sir. When we are sending this message, that application form will also go. In the WhatsApp message only.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that we will update. That's probably a month, a few weeks later. We will that
revisit will be done. So we will revisit will be done.
That we will surely do. That
because for example, no. If you want to do that, Mr. Ankur.
Yes, sir.
In the card, Thomas Cook card, it will be available because here I cannot give that. Tomorrow, if I have one more channel of a partner, ICICI, let us assume.
No, sir. Then it's like, if our app can give us an option that which form we want to send it to the client, either ICICI Bank or Thomas Cook, we can click it, and that form itself will go along with this message that this form this client has to fill it.
Okay, we have given actually in that tree, within prepaid there's a tree. Okay, in that if you go, there is a form. I think.
Yeah.
I think Narayanan, we put it there. I think it's there. some PDF form, American Express. I mean, sorry, this
Thomas.
Thomas Cook card form, you know.
Thomas Cook, sir. Thomas Cook.
Thomas Cook card, I think I was remembering. We put it there. I mean, it is available in that tree, but as you said, you want to have it while sending this itself.
That point is well taken. We will make that change.
Yeah.
That is part of the consolidated change we are going
And so
to
now, so now we have got one more this app, this WhatsApp number also for Thomas Cook, where client can communicate on the WhatsApp number also, and there is a flow chart how he can use that number. WhatsApp
No,
number.
it is available in the slides, sir. Slide everything available, Mr. Anku.
Okay.
In the slide, please go to the slide. How to use control, the limits, etc. 2 slides are there, and how to use the app slides are
So
there.
I'm saying it's like now they have introduced a WhatsApp number.
WhatsApp number. No, it is. I don't know whether in the slide or not. I don't know. I will check it out. I will check it out.
Sir, one more thing, sir.
சார் இப்போ கார்பரேட் டைப் பண்ணல சார், அதனுடைய ரெக்யூர்மெண்ட் டாக்குமெண்ட் இதில் அப்டேட் பண்ணி.
Hello, sir. What, sir?
சார் கார்பரேட் இப்போ டைப் பண்றோம்ல சார், நம்ம பார்ட்டி கோட் கிரியேட் பண்றோம் இல்லைங்க சார், அதுக்கான ரெக்யூர்மெண்ட் டாக்குமெண்ட் எல்லாம் இதுல என்னென்ன டாக்குமெண்ட் கலெக்ட் பண்ணணும்ன்றது அப்டேட் ஆயிருக்கு.
எது கார்பரேட்டுக்கு?
கார்பரேட் நம்ம கோட் டைப் பண்றோம் இல்லைங்களா சார், பிசினஸ் டைப் பண்றோம் இல்லைங்களா சார்,
Oh,
என்னென்ன
opening, I
டாக்குமெண்ட்
mean,
கலெக்ட் பண்ண
code creation.
கோட் கிரியேஷன். யா அதுக்கு என்னென்ன டாக்குமெண்ட் நம்ம கலெக்ட் பண்ணணும்ன்ற மாதிரி செட்டப் இருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும் சார்.
Oh, I understood. I missed that point. Okay. It comes under the operations only. Corporate, correct?
Yes, sir. Corporate and
Like,
travel.
like I said, the field report, etc. Correct?
Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, I understood.
Corporate KYC, sir.
Yeah, I understood, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Corporate and others, what KYC we must ask for opening the code, correct? Opening the account. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thomas Cook link he wanted. That is one thing he said. Then FAQ link. Then the fourth one is you wanted a WhatsApp number of Thomas Cook, correct? Okay. So these are the things which we feel. Far you have given me the feedback. 4 items: Thomas Cook app download link, FAQ link, WhatsApp number of Thomas Cook. Then, as Mr. Vasant said, corporate KYC list, code creation list. Okay. Anybody else has any other problem in opening, downloading, seeing? Any other buttons you want to have some explanation?
And I'll give you a number. You can contact that at any time if you have any problem with the app.
Yeah.
I'll just type it in the chat. Please, you can message WhatsApp. You can do anything.
So actually, this is the number which I have shared in the group. Now, this is the number, and this is the steps.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. I'll check whether it is in the slide or not. If it is not there, then I will do that. So for client, you can share the entire slide about the full usage of the app, etc. of Thomas Cook. You please go through that also. If you have anything, we will improve that also. The PPT itself, you can send to the client. Tomorrow onwards, when you deal with the clients, my kind request to all of you is that make use of this app, send details, whatever you want from clients, make it, habit of using it. Only you know the purpose of this app. Development can be done further if you have client give some feedback. Like how you gave today some feedback, client also may give some feedback. So we will try to do that also. Okay.
Client does not need account to open the link. They can just click on it without an account in this thing. They can open it in their browser, Chrome or something, in phone itself. So
in the phone itself, they can open it. No need of like how we get some link and we are opening in the mobile app, Same way they can open it. No need of only for you people, you have to log in and download the app. For the client, no need of app downloading at all. Just he has to click the link which suppose you sent, I think Vasant you received from Ankur, you know. Please go to that message. Message you received from Ankur. Please go to that. Please read that. Sent. Vasant.
Yes, sir. And it's
Tell me. You are asking Saranya, I think. You tell me now. You tell me that. I think you only got it, you know, from Ankur. Open that and see that message. What is there? What Ankur said. Just I want to give you some guidance on that. Nothing else. Unmute, sir. Unmute. Unmute. You to unmute only. Hello?
Sir, even if I am opening that link which Vasant has forwarded to me, it is taking too much of time to open that window.
only download one link, sir.
Even sir, even in the group also, whatever messages has come now, if we are trying to click on the link now, it is not opening. Sir, please unmute, sir.
Load ஆயிட்டே இருக்கு, sir.
Actually, Ankur and Vasant, when you receive the WhatsApp
Yes, sir.
message, there will be list of items. Number one, correct?
Yeah.
Above or beneath, there will be link also, correct? If that link
Yes, sir.
is pressed, then it will take you to the whole tree. That's what I want to tell you. You press that link, that's what I want to tell you. Ankur,
Sir,
have you
even
done
just
that?
yes, sir. It's
Huh?
not opening, sir. It's not opening.
It's not opening, sir. Only loading option only, sir.
Hello, there we are testing also here. Please, please, please. Yeah, it is loading only, correct?
Yes, sir. Loading only, sir.
Me also. I am also having same problem. I am also doing that.
Okay, we will check and
Yeah, we will. I mean, maybe today only we have done the whole thing. You know, it may be some technical issue. Maybe there. Maybe there. We will resolve it. No issues.
Yeah.
So what the whole idea is that if you see it later on, also you can see that. Forget now. After going home, also you can touch and see that the tree will be available. Whole tree will. How the client will see. I want to show you that. That's all. Client can see without any app also. You can see the entire tree, not only the details which you send. Other details also client wants to see, you can see that. What are the rules, regulations also. That's the whole idea, correct?
So, and there'll be some updates to the app from time to time. You can just check it in the app. If there is an update, you just update the app, then
Yeah.
it'll be clean. Sometimes because of the update also this kind of stuff will happen, but I will confirm this. You can, so like I said, if you uninstall the app now and you open that link, it will open in your phone Chrome or something like that in case this is not working. But I think some update has happened. So I will just check.
So Mahesh, Mr. Mahesh, are you there?
Very much, sir.
How I think you have done, sir. I have not seen any message from you. Have you done and have you tested any tree and sent the details? So the whole, I think we want to once again repeat or recall what we have done. That one is this Fruksh app is the Fruksh app is available in the Play Store, and you can download that, and you can go to the tree, relevant tree, and zoom out can be done by just touching your phone only. And whatever you want to see, you can last button you press, it will open. Then sharing, everything is there. If video is there, you can see the video also can be sent to the client. In some cases, PPT will be there, PPT can be sent to the client. And within the card, there are some other tree also available. So for some additions, what you said, we will do it. And similarly, please tomorrow onward, check it, send to the client also. So let him also check it. How is it? Okay. Today, Mr. Sunil will resolve that problem of loading. What is that issue? He is checking actually.
And anytime any such issues on the app, you can ping me in the number that I just sent.
Please note down that number. You can send a message to him referring your name, branch. So this is the issue. So that you know he will understand and he will rectify. And at the same time, you can enhance the benefit. That's all. And further, one thing I failed to tell you that Mr. Sunil Mohan is our director, Mr. Mohan's son also, please. Okay. So as a project, we have done this whole exercise and really shown the passion to develop something for the client, you know. Then I said, okay, let us do it for our company itself. So we called him and he also showed a lot of passion and things in knowing our operations, you know, which is totally new to him. But he was able to do it with ease actually. So we had some 3-4 sittings. In 3-4 sittings, we assembled. I have to thank Mr. Narayan at this juncture because he gave the notes, the relevant notes for making the pages. And he was also instrumental in this building of this particular app also. I have to thank him also. And really, thanks will come to all of you if you give feedback what you have given today. Some good feedbacks you have given. So please use it. That's why further feedback will be there. We are also developing another tree also for accounts operations. This is for our regular top line operations, correct? Accounts operation also, there will be another tree will be there. There you know how, what receipt will be there, what payment, bank receipts, cash payment, cash receipts, all those things will come there. SOP, now please understand that we have asked all HODs to prepare SOP, standard operating procedure. All those things shortly we will be incorporating here so that everyone can see that what is the procedure. So that is available so that tomorrow even X is not there, Y is not there, people can carry on the show. That is the whole idea. Suppose a new person joins your office, you need not teach him. You just give this app and ask him to go through. You will easily understand, quickly understand, rather than going through the whole book. That's the whole purpose of implementing this particular application. Okay. What, Ankur, anything? You are not happy with that, I think. No, unmute.
Sir, we need to use it to go further, check. We can give.
Yeah, that's why I said, please use it. Tomorrow, in fact, there are other facilities also there. Within our community, you can also post questions, clarifications can be given by somebody else within our community also. That is possible. That is also there. But let us first give it to the client if he wants, you know. Ankur, what required you last? So I will send it.
Sir, one more suggestion. It's like now what we are doing is we are sending our account details also to client to transfer the money. So that account details also can be added, our all account details, that it would be easy for us to pick it from there and send it to client.
Okay, that means you want to have that.
So because now we are taking RTGS or IMPS from the client. So for that we need to share our account details to client.
Okay. And every segment we will add. In every segment we will add that account details.
Yeah, account details. So it would be easy for a single shot. It would be go there.
Yeah, we'll do, sir. We'll do that. That is the name of the bank account number.
Yeah.
Then that code also.
FSC code. Yeah, FSC code.
IFSC code also. I understood. Good suggestion. That's why I said, with limited knowledge, we have done it. With actual users, you are all actual users. Definitely, you will have wide views and suggestions. So
Sir,
please don't
actually, we have already prepared a list of messages which we generally send it to clients. So which I have just now shared in the group, that is already there in our inbox, so which we are sharing it to clients. Now it would be easy that it's already drafted and it is there on the net also. So it would look nice and it would create a brand for us also.
Yeah, exactly. We used our logo also in all these boxes.
Yeah.
Please understand that. With our logo, it will go now. And if you want to add, you can add your name beneath that. That who is sending if you want. Otherwise, client, if he has your number, automatically your name will be there. Or you would understand that. If client is a new client, you may not have your name or you not have saved your contact. As a matter of safety, you can add your name at the beneath of the message. And similarly, the link which coming in the message, if you don't want to send to the client, you can delete also. Or you would understand. When I suppose I do something in Canva, if I want to send to somebody, automatically Canva app link also will come. But if I don't want to send, I can delete it and send only what I prepared. Similarly, what you shared, for example, remittance you shared, somebody shared. You want to share only that matter, not the link. You can delete the link before sending. Or you would understand. You can try that also. So that client, only relevant thing will go to the client. No need to make the client to confuse with the opening. All tree, this, that, That also possible. You try one, Ankur, you please try to Mr. Vasant, one particular matter in one tree. And while before sending, please delete that link which comes. Do that. Is it possible to try?
Okay. I'll try, sir.
So that it won't create confusion in the minds of customer also. Otherwise, you also do it to Vasant, you do it to Ankur also.
Sir, one more suggestion, sir. These all tradable currencies with denominations can we put, sir?
What denominations?
The currency denominations which are all tradable, no dollar, which all denominations and which all that currencies, all tradable currency denominations. With
what way it will help you, sir? What way it will help you?
No, some customers will ask, sir, they'll bring that old 100 denomination notes and all, why it is not tradable, so that we can show this. No, sir. These are all tradable currencies now, which
okay. Okay, we'll create one box then. Separate box we have to create. Tradable currencies. Okay, sir. Okay. For each currency, you want that.
Yes, sir.
As a matter of service, Mr. Anil, you compile and send to me, You compile tradable currency for each currency and send to me, notes. So we will immediately implement, no problem. So it's a teamwork, sir. Nothing, individual work.
Sir, I've sent it. We're deleting that link.
Uncle,
I mean, in the group.
Vasant, you got it? Unmute, Vasant, unmute.
So I've sent it in the group itself.
That's a group itself you sent. Yes.
Good, sir.
Now it is very simple. Are you able to understand that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No confusion to the client. That's what I want to tell you. If you send that, also client may be confused because you will open something and ask what is this, what is that. So delete that and send the crux only what you wanted. Of course, in that we have to add some information like bank details which you wanted, correct, sir? So certain things will be added here. That will be given that. No problem. Okay. All this type of operations, bank details will be added. Don't worry. So that client can remit the fees to you. And before sending also, you can add, I don't know whether I have not tested that. You can tell the amount also how much to be transferred, I don't know whether it is possible. I don't know. You can
we can type, sir. We can type. It's allowing us to type also.
Okay, you can type it. Yes. So in one shot, everything is there. Client has to do the transaction. That's all. Simple. Mr. Mahesh, anything you feel, sir, being senior person and experienced? Because from your point of
no,
view,
sir, you have been elaborative in that. Hello.
anything else you feel? Anything else you feel, Mr. Mahesh? Further
No, sir.
trimming or elaborating something which
Main
I
thing
think.
it was that RBI link, that was a wonderful suggestion by Ankur.
Yeah.
And again, like that currencies, like the tradable currencies are good things.
I think that Anil will help us.
So going by the usage, we may get a lot of ideas. Sir.
Yeah.
So one
No.
area is that one area where we have mentioned that 90 days, I think if I'm right, it should read as 60 days.
Exactly. In the video, I mentioned 60 days. Mr. Narayanan said 90 days. That conflict is there. You please check and confirm to me, Mr. Mahesh. Okay.
Sure,
No,
Please.
sir. Actually, it is 90 days only, sir.
No, 1 minute, sir. Mr. Mahesh says 60 days. Okay.
No, sir. Actually, okay. Anyway, check it out, sir.
Not only Mr. Mahesh, Mr. Suresh also said 60 days only. In the video, I talked about 60 days only. So you please check that correctness, Mr. Mahesh. Okay, we will correct it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And in case some clients wants a talk also, video is available. About the thing, video you can send. You just try one video and send to somebody. You try one video also. And send to somebody. Is it going or not? Check. In the group also you can post it, Anil, today Jayashree is on leave. Huh?
Sir, she is on a PL, sir, for 1 week. She has applied PL now, sir. She'll be back on Friday or Saturday, sir.
Okay. You take, please in your branch, please take this class to everybody so that everybody should know what is what. So that, everybody has an Android phone. They can make use of this, please. You sent, sir? It comes as a YouTube link. I mean, it comes as a link. So you can send video also to the client. Vasant, mute. Vasant, mute. Vasant,
Yes, sir.
mute.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please mute, sir. Mute, sir. Vasant.
Okay. Madam.
Mute. Please, sir, please. Okay. So now, by and large, I think today we had our successful first session. So we have covered almost all relevant areas of operations. And please go through it. Tomorrow onwards, why tomorrow? Now itself, start using it. Any client wants you, please send it and try and get the feedback of the client also. Very important. How is it? How I am talking to you now, I'm asking you, please ask the client also, how is it? So that, we can improve it and get proper adjustments, we can do that before we finalize the correct version.
I'll confirm on this loading stuff thing is.
Yeah, loading, I think he will confirm.
I'll quickly clear that up.
He will clear it and he will send me a message or whatever it is. We will share with you also what is the reason why, and we can tell you to use it also. Okay. Shall we wind up, sir? Anything else, Anku?
Nothing, sir. All we'll go through that app, and if anything is there, we'll update.
Please, sir. Please post your issues in our group also. I will share with Mr. Sunil also, no issues. Finally, we see that we are benefited from this app. That's the whole idea. And of course, all relevant SOPs also will be added in due course. At one place, everything will be available. I think you please see the opening of the branch. What are the things to be done? Closing of the branch, shifting of the branch. Your role also is there. Branch manager role also is there. So we have made everything there very clearly. Branch manager role is there. Admin role is there. Secretarial people role is there. HR role is there. I mean, it's not one man role actually. Everybody is involved in that particular aspect. So we made it very clear in that particular tree. If you go to that particular tree, you can see that what are the things required. Okay. So for you also, it is easy. Before you shift, just you have to check whether what things you have to comply with. That's all. If you comply with, your part is over. Next admin should take over. Then admin should complete. Then HR, everybody should, secretarial, even resolution to be passed. Everything we mentioned there. Then similarly, RBI returns also we mentioned. What are the returns to be filed? Everything we mentioned there also. Okay. Thank you, sir. All the best. Thank you, Mr. Sunil. I think I have to thank
Thank you, Mr.
Sunil.
Sunil. Thank you, Mr. Sunil.
Thank you
Yes,
very
thank
much.
you. Thank you.
Thank
I
you,
look
sir.
forward to your inputs and I hope this becomes part of your daily operations.
Sure,
when
sure,
it-
sure.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.